Hello guys, now I am going to show you how to use extra doorbell. If you want to use extra doorbell, then you have to use a panel like this one. This one is our doorbell panel. It has built-in doorbell channel. It has two built-in doorbell channel, and it can also display the service status like please wait, need clean, D&D, and this icon can be changed. Now I use this panel as an example. So in my demo case, the doorbell is connected to the channel number 1 of this panel. Okay, now let's start the configuration. So we have to go to extra doorbell panel here to select the doorbell panel. And before you select, please don't forget to search and find the device and search and find the device and add it to the project. Okay, after you add it to the project, then you go to as you like. So you can select the doorbell here. Okay, after this, just need to click Save. And then go to doorbell panel again. Okay, so in here, you can see it already have the doorbell panel because I have done the test, so it has the remark. I will show you. So now we just need to make a remark because here we have bell. If you don't want to make a remark again, you can just ignore this. And then you have to select the mechanical switch. Mechanical switch is because you just want press one time, then the doorbell ring one time, and then press another time, then ring another time. So it's mechanical switch. It's not like that. You press it and it's ringing all the time. So you have to select mechanical switch. And because I am using channel number 1 of this panel, the subnet ID and device ID is 116. And please pay attention. So let me delete the target and show you how to add. Because I just used this panel as an example, and I know that the doorbell relay is normally closed type. So when I use this when on, I have to add target off. When off, I have to add target on. So it depends on the relay is normally open or normally closed. Before you make the configuration and make the wiring, you must confirm this. Okay, now in my demo case, this panel is normally closed type. Now let me add the target. Okay, click Add and select Switch. Because you have to pay attention, the doorbell panel is connected to channel 1 of this panel, so I have to select 1. Add off because it's normally closed type, and then change to off. Add. Oh, sorry, and add on. Okay, then click Save. It will be able to control the doorbell, so it's very easy. And another situation is if your doorbell channel is connected to another relay channel. So if you want to use this to so in a word, when you want to control the doorbell through this panel, you just need to select mechanical switch and enter the subnet ID, device ID, and the channel number of the channel that the doorbell connected to, and then you can finish the configuration. So for example, if your doorbell is connected to channel number 1 of the RCU, if just connect to channel number 1 of the RCU, then you just make a remark and then click save. And go to doorbell channel here to make it to be hotel host, because it's the channel of RCU. Select it and then go to the panel to enter the subnet ID, device ID of RCU Lite, and the channel must be channel number 1 of RCU, and then click save. You will be able to control the doorbell, extra doorbell, so it's very easy.